rotation heading in the direction of Cario,
spicy
which is basically very far
pizza,
southern Illinois, and it's going to cross into
onions,
Kentucky here shortly. So going toward Paducah and Metropolis over the next few minutes. We have a little bit more rotation near East Prairie and Anniston, and none of that is really, at this point, on the ground, or it's going to be on the ground, I would say, in the next few minutes. Anything between the Kentucky and Illinois border back up towards Marion is mostly wind, not seeing a whole lot of rotation. We have a little bit of rotation still near Johnson City, but I'm going to be honest, I don't think there's enough here for a tornado warning. At this point, it's looking mostly like a wind threat. Tornado risk is at least a little bit lower on that storm. We also have a tornado warning near Olney. This one was issued more recently in Tennessee. In terms of our tornado warnings right now, we do have 5. Once again, one is in, or we actually got 3 in Illinois, and then 2 of which are on the Kentucky, Illinois, and Missouri border. So none currently down in Tennessee or anywhere further south, but obviously that could change at any moment. Riley has an update. Go ahead, Riley.
Hey Max, I want to talk about the tornado warning currently that's headed towards KPAH that includes Cairo, Illinois. There's a very strong air rotation on the northern side of that. It looks like it's actually going to move out of the north side of that warning polygon here shortly as it heads towards Mounds. That could definitely drop a considerable tornado, so something to keep an eye on. And there should probably be an extension of that warning to include more areas to the north.
Hey, Riley, for the update. Yeah, this rotation has gotten more concerning. Once again, very strong area of rotation that is now over west of Klondike. 90-mile-per-hour winds just exclusively going towards the radar right now. Near Highway 3. And again, on our velocity scale, this is about an 8 or a 9. I mean, this is really strong rotation. We'll see what this next radar scan shows. And I would say it's closer to about a 7 or 8 now, so it's not as intense, but it's still very strong. Again, this could easily drop a tornado at any moment. It's going to be approaching Interstate 57 here in a minute. We do not have a clear debris signature right now. There's a small little CC drop, but it's not a tornado. But again, that right there is our large hook echo. And it's going to be moving to Mound City, which is again in Illinois. It's basically going along the northern side of this tornado warning. So we may need an extension again. I would assume we're going to get a new tornado warning that will go a bit further north. That will probably include areas just west of Jopa. And again, this is all heading towards Metropolis, Paducah, Smithland. And then further down to the south, we have a few other areas of rotation, but those right now are not nearly as definitive in terms of intensity. Back over in Dyersburg, Tennessee, we have a storm rolling in right now. I'm going to see if any of these have anything. The wind is about to increase a lot here in western Tennessee. A considerable damage spread right now with this line of thunderstorms moving towards Dyersburg, flying trampolines. Power lines will be falling down. Trees will also be coming down. The first time in 4 hours I'm going to be sitting. This is, I think, the longest consecutively I've been standing on a stream.
We're getting this severe weather tomorrow.
Hey, Mikey for the $20 super chat. Coming in from the coast, what's the outlook for Mobile, Alabama? We're going to have a really more of an overnight, early morning threat tomorrow with damaging winds and possibly an isolated strong tornado being the main concerns. We have another radar scan coming in. Right now, again, around Memphis, we have a significant line of thunderstorms producing basically widespread damaging winds. There are some supercells that have gone up out in front of this line. None of these, once again, have really gotten to the point of being tornadic. A lot of them are just producing lightning, small hail, gusty winds. And so, again, no tornado warnings active down here along the southern portion of our tornado watches. This is all along the Mississippi River Valley of the deep south. We are going to be monitoring an increasing severe potential tonight down here in the southeast with discrete supercells possible.
A new tornado warning has been issued.
I've just issued a new tornado warning in southern Illinois. This one's going to be for those over in Vienna. This one has actually a large hook right here near Dongola. So that's probably why they issued a tornado warning. Large hook, we got a pretty strong inflow. Could have a little bit of tornado genesis happen over the next few minutes. Otherwise, velocities are not strong yet. It's a growing area of rotation. I would anticipate we're going to get a new tornado warning for this at any moment. I mean, the rotation is almost entirely outside of our warning. It's like on the edge of it still. So if you're in Olmsted and you're tuning in, if you're over at Jopa and you're tuning in, in my opinion, I'd be getting to a safe place now because, again, there should be a tornado warning here. The rotation, once again, here near Mound City is fairly strong, and it could drop a tornado at any moment. Crossing over Interstate 57 right now. Also be heading basically right over towards the Golconda area, too. Hey, Robert from Kevin Maximum Velocity member. We just signed up for Max Alert calls about a yearly subscription today, W. I want to remind you guys that, our risk of severe weather tonight will be the highest in the orange, and we're kind of in it right now. Right? most of our line is entered into an orange area of severe weather. That is where numerous to widespread damaging winds are expected tonight. I know a lot of people are asking questions about exactly what I'm going to see. If you have questions like that, watch your video today. Not really much has changed in the forecast when it comes to that. We have a large line of thunderstorms again from Chicago all the way down towards Houston. Widespread damaging winds and multiple tornadoes are still the concerns for tonight. It's obviously almost 8 o'clock, and this line will not really be done anytime soon. And unfortunately, once it gets to like Cincinnati, Columbus, Atlanta, Montgomery, it's going to be probably after midnight. So this is going to be a nocturnal tornado threat. Areas like Nashville are only a couple hours away from seeing this, but people are going to be going to sleep. And I don't recommend going to sleep if you're over in Nashville, for example, because these storms are going to be near you within the next couple hours, right? It's like 9:30, 10 o'clock Central, or 11 o'clock Eastern. I'll be staying up. And obviously, if you are going to bed, you need to have ways to receive alerts, because we are going to be talking about tornadoes and damaging winds that are widespread all the way into the overnight hours. If you need an extra way to receive alerts on top of your weather radio and also a phone app, you can check out maxalert.net.
Ours is going to
It's
be
basically a
between
way that you get phone calls from me
noon,
directly
9
if you are
p.m.
under a tornado warning or a severe thunderstorm
I think.
warning. That way you wake up. But make sure you put that number on Do Not Disturb. Not on Do Not Disturb. That way you actually get the phone call. Going back over to...
A new tornado.
All right, I was about to say, we need a tornado warning here. We have a new tornado warning now that's for this storm. A bunch of counties included in it. I'm not going to name them all off, but if you're in this pink polygon here, you need to seek shelter now. Get away from windows, get to the lowest floor possible, and get to an interior room of your home or building northwest of Metropolis near Olmsted. It is a very strong area of rotation, as I've mentioned multiple times now, and it could drop a tornado at any moment. This is right over Interstate 57. The latest radar scan now has it over the north side of Mountain City. It's about to cross over the river, your Ballard Wildlife Management Area. That rotation, again, is pretty rain-wrapped. It's going to be right here on the east side of Interstate 57, going towards Olmsted and then Jopa. We have more areas of rotation coming together further south, too. We have another one right here near Clinton. This is tornado warning. We have another one, too, west of Wycliffe, going up towards U.S. Highway 50, 162. Those are two other areas of stronger rotation. And then further down to the south, again, we just have a slew of damaging winds. I mean, there isn't really a whole lot of rotation with most of these southern storms right now. But that could change. I think it will change, but most of the storms right now around Memphis are mainly damaging winds. There's also a ton of convection down here. We have an overly high amount of convection all around the Memphis area. There could actually be a flash flooding threat that develops down here in southern Tennessee here soon. Hey, Jacob, for the $10 super chat. I think Ohio will be mostly damaging winds late tonight, and then an isolated tornado threat, especially in the western half of the state. All right, we have actively no tornado warnings in central Illinois anymore, but again, western Indiana, we're only about a half an hour until these storms are entering into the state, maybe even sooner than that. And this intense line of thunderstorms is racing towards Terre Haute and Lafayette. We still have one tornado warning southeast of Effingham, which the rotation there is pretty broad. We have a broad area of rotation south of Charleston, too, moving towards Marshall and Terre Haute, going basically paralleling Interstate 70. We have a little bit of rotation as well west of Carmi, which is going to be going towards Interstate 64 here soon. Let's do slot 3. We just said in the chat, will Western Tennessee be okay? The worst of the weather is happening over the next hour, and it's widespread damaging winds. A lot of these storms right now are producing downburst damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour, so it's a pretty considerable risk of wind right now, but there are also some embedded areas of circulation that we're still keeping an eye on. None of them right now stand out to me as if they need a tornado warning, but I'll be watching the ones near Dyersburg more than anything. We have a pretty high amount of rotation right now in this specific area here. A lot of it right now is near the Kentucky, Missouri, and Illinois border, but obviously we could see that increase a little bit further down to the south, too. We still do not have anything confirmed in terms of a tornado being down, but we have a strong area of rotation northeast of Mountain City. We'll have another radar scan in the next minute or so. Rotation's also strong west of Wycliffe. And then we have a large area of wind, but some rotation moving towards Arlington and Clinton. We have about 80-mile-per-hour winds being measured by radar right now north of Hickman. So very strong winds right now moving to the east. Riley has an update. Go ahead, Riley.
Hey, Max, I'm looking due west of KPOE. That's the Fort Polk radar site in Louisiana. Quite the convergence signature coming together in the last few scans over Brownville. That could come together relatively quickly and produce a tornado sometime in the next few minutes.
Thank you, Riley, for the update. So new area of rotation here.